How to clear clipboard history in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to wipe everything stored in your clipboard quickly and easily. First, press Windows key plus V on your keyboard to open the clipboard panel. From there, you'll see a list of everything you've recently copied, including text, links, and images. At this point, if you want to remove a single item, hover over it and click the three dots that appear next to it. After that, select Delete from the options, and that item will be removed individually without affecting anything else in the list. Following this, if you want to wipe everything at once, click Clear All at the top of the clipboard panel, and every item stored in your history will be deleted straight away. From here, you can also clear your clipboard history through Settings if you prefer. Click the Start button, open Settings, tap System, then tap Clipboard. After that, scroll down and click Clear under the Clear Clipboard Data section, and it will wipe everything stored on your device just like the keyboard shortcut method. Finally, if you want to stop clipboard history from saving anything going forward, toggle off Clipboard History from the same settings page, and nothing new will be recorded until you turn it back on. That's how you clear clipboard history in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!